Hi guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Sean, and we're here to talk turkey about Thanksgiving in your RV.
Ooh, gobble gobble.
You might think it would be impossible to host a Thanksgiving dinner in your RV, but if you're living the RV lifestyle full time, you don't need to ignore the holidays. You just need to change a few things to be able to make it work. Now, you might be thinking, what's the main thing that I serve at a Thanksgiving dinner? That's right, the cranberry sauce in a can. But I'm going to one-up you and say probably turkey, okay? So with most RVs, the appliances that you have inside, they're smaller profile, and you can't fit a full turkey, even a small 10-pounder, into an oven. But you can fit a turkey breast into those ovens pretty much. So if you get the smaller turkey breast and cook it, it will still serve about the same amount of people because it's all meat. You don't have all the bones and everything else, so it's easier to serve, and the cleanup is a cinch.
Number 2 on list is to decorate creatively with Thanksgiving themed items like gourds, pumpkins, even those little window clings, which I always like because they're fun to stick on the windows and easy cleanup. And even simple table center pieces will just really bring your RV together and just make you in the festive mood.
Number 3 on the list is modular seating and dinette seating. There is a simple way to make sure you have plenty of room in your RV for all of your guests that you invite over. If you get modular seating from, I don't know, say RecPro, you can get plenty of recliners and plenty of seats and plenty of comfortable consoles that will fit lots of family members. And our dinettes also come in sizes from 38 to 44 inches, so you can see a whole bunch of people inside of those booths. So you won't have to worry about where am I going to fit Aunt Edna.
Yes.
I mean, generally outside, because, buddy, nobody likes her.
So be sure not to miss out this Thanksgiving and have a fun holiday in your RV.
No reason not to be festive just because you're on 4 wheels instead of a brick and mortar establishment. Come on.
And our furniture is always in stock, and we ship out very fast, same day if ordered before 2 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. So you have time to get it before Thanksgiving.
And make room for Aunt Edna.
Yes. So thanks so much for watching, and if you want to shop the furniture, just click on the link below. And yeah, just give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And maybe let us know if you have other ideas of making it festive in your RV, because we like to hear those.
Yeah, we don't think of everything. The Sean and Abby show or the Abby and Sean show, however you want to say it.
Yeah.
We support one another in our Abby Seanness.
That's right.
Yeah. But if you had fun, with this video or any of our other videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Bing, 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 bing,
Bing, bing, bing.